Of this match at the DP World Asia Cup 2025, India maintaining and winning streak of 6 wickets against Pakistan tonight. The Asian Cricket Council would like to thank their broadcasters, Sony Sports Network, and all sponsors: DP World, Wonder Cement, Hero Motorcorp, Beyond Development, Spinny, Vimal Ilaichi, Ozone Locks, Hire, Hero FinCorp, Grow, and Havels. We would also like to extend our thanks to all government organizations and authorities who were involved in the smooth conduct of this game. Now I'd like to welcome and introduce my presentation party, starting with Mr. Khalid Al-Zaruni, Executive Member, Board Member of the Asian Cricket Council, Mr. Abdullah Al-Hashmi, Chief Operating Officer, DP World Parks and Zones, Mr. Rituj Agarwal, Commercial Refrigeration Head, Hire India, Mr. Deepak Mehra, Executive Director, Wonder Cement. Now let's start with the awards. Can I please ask Mr. Deepak Mehra to come forward and present the Wonder Cement Game Changer of the Match award with a check of USD 3,500 and a trophy, and the award goes to Shivam Dubey. The captain called upon him and he delivered 2 wickets in his 4-over spell. Very good in that middle order, picking up 2 crucial wickets. Moving on, Mr. Rituj Agarwal, can I please ask him to come forward to present the Hire Super Sixes of the Match award with a check of USD 3,000, and the award goes to Abhishek Sharma. Absolutely scintillating ball striking up the order, 5 big sixes in his knock of 74, striking at 189. And I think we will see him again. Can I now please ask Mr. Abdullah Al-Hashmi to present the DP World Player of the Match with a check of USD 5,000 and a trophy from the Asian Cricket Council, once again to Abhishek Sharma. Magnificent opening stand as well. He got 74 of just 39 deliveries, 6 fours and 5 big sixes in that knock. Abhishek, once you're done, we'll have a quick chat as well. Yeah, congratulations. I mean, you maintain a strike rate which is north of 190. What is the messaging to yourself in that ball striking?
I mean, today was pretty simple. I think that the way they were coming to us without any reason, I didn't like at all. And I thought that this is only the reason that I could give with my bat. And obviously with the win towards my team. And I think that's all was going through my mind, and just wanted to deliver for my team.
Now, an opening stand of 105 with a good friend of yours in Shubman Gill, it almost seems like your approaches dovetail quite nicely with each other.
Of course, we've been playing since school days, so we enjoy each other's company really well. And the way we started, I thought that we're gonna do this in one of the game, and that's how we're gonna start our partnerships. And luckily, it was today, and I feel the way he was giving them back, I really enjoyed it on the other side.
Now, there seems to be a feature of your game where you come hard at the bowler and try and strike the first ball for 4 or 6. How much of planning does that go into, and does that ever change for you?
I mean, I feel it's very important for the team, because if you see someone's playing like this, they need really good support from the captain and the coach. I feel that's what I'm getting from my team, and that's the intent they want me to show in all the games, and that's how I want to play, because I've been practicing really hard for this, and of course that's how I'm gonna go. If it's my day, I'm gonna make sure that we win the game.
Well, brilliant talk, and congratulations. Go well for the next game. That was Abhishek Sharma, the DP World Player of the Match. Can I now please invite the skipper for Pakistan, Salman Ali Agha, to come up and